Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check how much storage space has already been used up on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we are going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go down and tap on battery and device care, and then tap on storage. Now in here you can see on the top left corner it will show you how much space you have already used up, and in this case on my device I have already used up 95.82 gigabyte, and that has equate to 74% being used. So I have around 26% left before my device is running out of space. And that's it. You can also tell how much space you have got from out here. So you can see out here it shows you there is 95.8 gigabytes of storage space already been used. And this green bar shows you how much is being used and how much is left in a kind of like a symbol format. And that's it. So finally you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.